Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. So we are unboxing my November Ipsy Glam bag, and yeah, we're giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. I knew my choice item that I love this brand so much. And so I'm definitely excited about the choice item, but the other items, I have no clue. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of October. It is the Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette. I did have a shade right here, Fallout. This is my palette. I have a brand new one for you that's not touched, not swatched, anything like that. Look in the description box down below, and our current giveaways talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is this Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. Looks like this, and I mainly did these three shades right here. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have 3 different levels. This is their glam bag. It's mainly 5 sample sizes. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full-size item plus a makeup bag for $13. It's makeup, it's skincare, that sort of things. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. It'll save you some money, and it gives me some extra bonus points on anything, any add-ons that I kind of want to do. So let's open this guy up. So the pouch is a velvet green pouch, perfect for kind of the season. It does have a little rose gold handle that says Ipsy right there. And then the inside is a burgundy shade. So it says on the card itself, Royal Treatment November. Your throne awaits. Lather on the ultra moisturizing formulas, adorn with accessories, and indulge in extra dessert because this month it's all about you. Speaking of indulgences, what are you guys' Thanksgiving plans? Let me know that in the comments down below. I love so much chatting back and forth with you guys. I think my Thanksgiving plan is I'm gonna go over to my parents' house. And it's just going to be really small. It's just going to be my husband and I, and my son's coming home from college, my parents, and my brother and his wife and their daughter. So this says pinkies up. We have a feeling you'll fancy these 5 new glam bag products valued at over $50. Remember, most of these are sample sizes. So the first one in here is from Tarte Sugar Rush Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. The Luxe Body Butter is your new nightstand necessity. I so need my glasses right now. The fluffy triple wicks texture locks into skin instantly, while the blend of shea butter, macadamia oil, and sweet almond oil help deeply nourish and smooth and firm. Tip, apply to clean skin, giving a little extra love to dry spots like the knees and elbows. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $28. I love putting something like this right next to my bed. And so the last thing I do is I put on a little lip mask and put on my elbows. That way everything's just convenient right there. Here's the full-size product. It is the Color Club Nail Accord in Take Nothing for Granite. I wonder if it's a dark gray. Glittery polishes are gorgeous any time of year, and this black glitter shade is our new go-to. The super pigmented formula is long-lasting and goes on streak-free, so your mani will shine for days and days. Plus, it's cruelty-free. Tip: start with a base coat, then apply 2 thin coats of polish, and finish with the top coat. This is full size. It does retail for $6.50. Ooh, she's pretty. She's really, really pretty. That's really, really nice. And I do really, really like the Color Club formula. From Kinship is a Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. Give your skin a deep cleanse with a fast-acting mask. It uses 2 cellular exfoliators, lactic acid and jojoba oil beads that work together to reveal smooth, radiant skin, while bentonite and kaolin clay help detox the mask's pores and balance oil production. Tip: apply clean, dry skin and let it sit for up to 10 minutes. Rinse off with water. This is the deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $23. Kind of looks like that. So this little guy here is the one that I picked. You'll see why it's little in a second. So this is the More Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Concentrator. This fast-acting serum, your secret to luminous skin. It's made with antioxidant-rich green tea and a blend of brightening vitamin C and white peony to help fade hyperpigmentation like dark spots and melasma. Even out your skin tone and improve skin textures for a youthful glow. Tip: morning and night apply to skin and toner. And before moisturizer, deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $250. That's why this guy's in the tiny size. So everything I have tried from More Pacific, I have absolutely loved. I mean, look at this guy. This guy is dinky, like dinky. And it looks like it's only about like full to about there. My son one time was saying, and I had used a More Pacific moisturizer the night before, and he's like, Mom, your skin is really, really glowing. And at the time, I think he was like 17, 18 years old. And for a 17, 18-year-old guy to notice that, I was like, this stuff maybe is kind of working. So I love a More Pacific. From Unicorn Glow is a long wear primer. Flawless makeup starts with this primer. It instantly creates a smooth, glowing canvas for long-lasting makeup application thanks to its moisturizing jojoba oil and shea butter and anti-inflammatory camellia and central acetic extracts. Tip: apply a small amount to clean, moisturized skin before foundation or face makeup. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $12. So what do you guys think? I think it was okay. I really want to know where my makeup is. I know I keep saying that and I keep harping on that, but it's like, come on now. Please, please, pretty please. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's give away, let's do that Kinship Mud Mask. I have so many masks right now. It's gonna take me forever to go through all the ones that I have, and it would just sit there. So I'd much rather give this away to one of you guys. Secret word: Thanksgiving. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through December 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on December 15th, I will do our spin the wheel, where I'll take everybody's Google Forms that they've done what they said they're going to do. If you're going to put mark on there that you did the bonus items, make sure that you did do, because I do check. And then I'll put that information into the computer. The computer will spin the wheel. Computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over and we've announced all the winners on that 15th, give me a couple days after that to bundle everything up to you guys. And then as soon as that's over, I do go ahead and delete all of those Google Forms. Nobody else has access to it but me. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload a video, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I try and do them a lot here. I try and do them from each of my unboxings. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.